Hi there and welcome back. Today I have a review on the Garden Deco illumin8 solar lights from Dollarama. They are LED. There are 5 lights on each of the 1 meter wire connected to the solar panel. You can either hang it above a table, in a gazebo, on a tree, along the fence line, or anywhere you'd like to stick it. And the nice thing is you don't have to worry about the electricity on where to plug it. Just let the sun do it for you. So let's go ahead and unbox these 2 boxes of solar lights. Again, I purchased them from Dollarama. I think each box was around $4. So these solar lights also come with ground stakes. Just stick the top of the peg into the neck of the solar stake. Here are your 5 light bulbs that are LED lit, and your solar panel. Here is the back where you slide in your stake stick. And right next to that is the on and off switch. By pushing it up, you can turn it on. This will allow the light bulbs to turn on at night when it gets dark enough. Remember to always face the solar panel towards the sun. Let's unwind the cord and move on. So if you notice on the side of the light bulb, each of the light bulbs has this little hook for if you want to hook each of the light bulbs on a line. These bulbs are made out of plastic, so they won't break in the wind. So they're not very long, they're only 1 meter long in length. So that's why I purchased 2 of them. You can see here the LED light going on when I put my hand over the screen of the solar panel. These lights do not blink, it's just me covering the solar panel on and off so you can see it. At night, they will just leave one solid glow of a bulb. Here I have them stretched out across the grass so you can see the length of them. Now the length where all the bulbs are is the same length of wire where the stake is. So you have lots of room to stake it in the ground and start your lights up a little higher. So here I just mounted them on each side of the staircase going up to our deck. I will show you what they look like at night in a few minutes. If you like the pergola and wondering where I purchased it from, I will leave the video link below. So I ended up tying them up with some fishing string. At the end, where the solar panel is, I just wrapped the cord around and used a zip tie to mount the solar panel to the railing. Here's what they look like at night. Once the sun goes down, they turn on. They have a cool LED look. They give off some light, but it's not overly bright. I do think these little lights are pretty cool, and they were pretty cheap. Again, I purchased them at Dollarama. I kinda wish that they had them in longer strands of lights. Then it'd be great to put in my pergola or somewhere else. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Click the notification bell to be notified for each and every video that is posted. And thanks for watching. We'll see you later.